I'm Thanaaji Srikanthan. I'm going to show some of the existing class chairs that I've been using in many institutions. Firstly, this is the ergonomical class chair separated with table. This product is space consumer. The next one is the right-handed arm desk class chair, which is mostly used by many university students. Same as the previous design. This chair designed for left-handers only, so both arm desk chairs are designed for specific users only. And there is the prototype of right and left-handed desk chair, which is innovated and designed by our group. So let's look onto the fabricated prototype. Here is the fabricated chair, which joined with the arm desk at the rotator at the back of the chair. The rotator helps the arm desk chair to rotate from right to left and vice versa. So here is the fabricated chair which is used by a right-hander. Next, this shown how the arm desk table could rotate from right to left and left to right. So here is the left-handed writer rotating the arm desk from right to left and using it comfortably.
Here we go with our problem statement of our project. We move to the objective part. Objectives are created to achieve a goal. The first objective is to design the class chair suitable for both left and right-handed user. This is because the classroom chairs, which is attached with the writing desk for right and left-handed user with very minimal limitations, so that mass purchaser no need to worry on quantity of different size of handed user separately on their purchasing time. The second objective is to make more ergonomic desk-attached class chairs for all users. This project is an innovative desk chair to ease the user with newly designed with add-ons. From the survey result, it has been shown that the community needs this chair to further facilitate the learning sessions.
Hello, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti MARNIARINA binti Muhammad Noor. I will explain about methodology. Most of the college and school using right-handed arm desks that available in the market right now. The production produce more of this product because this product extremely high demand. In addition to student point of views, an ergonomic chair should have additional features related to the ease of use, ease of maintenance, sitting comfort and durability. An ergonomic chair used in the classroom environment should contribute towards students' attention and motivation during the durations of lecture. Along that, poor chair design is also responsible for the problem associated with the student body parts as ligaments, joints, and the spine. The functionality of an ergonomic classroom chair suits students' needs and expectations such as relax, comfort, and enough space for writing and also space for their bag. As we can see on the slides, there are our product, left and right-handed table chair. Methodology chart is progress to functional illness mechanism and concept generation. They have three options and have six sub-functions, which is arm desk, adjust the mechanism of arm desk, sit, bed, armrest, and stand. Here, I will explain morphological chart and concept briefly. First, arm desk. Arm desk is the attached desk of the chair for institution purpose. It provides both side desks to let both left and right-handed writer to use it ergonomically. Second, adjusting mechanism of arm desk. the mechanism to adjust the armrest of the chair to the left and right side. The degree of the table must be perpendicular towards the persons who sit on the chair. The portable mechanism placed at leaning back. Next, morphological chart for seat. Flat surface that has suitable dimensional which give comfort to people to sit on it. Chair provided the space for students to place their bag for proper sittings and comfort. After that, morphological concept for back part. Backside part of the chair for user leaning back. The space sitting does not too close or too far from people who sit on the chair. Beside concept for armrest, the part of the chair for user to keep their arm comfortability. The chair is provided with arms to support for hands and elbows. Then concept stand, the base part that stabilize the chair. For this concept can reduce the risk of crack stand chair. Stand chair also not easily broke.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is HAFIZA and I will continue the presentation with material selection. This table shows about material selection for our product. There are 5 materials that have been used to make our product. For the desk that attached with the chair, we use material from plywood. The reason why we choose this material is because it is easy to shape. It also has very good strength and it can hold screw well. For the seat and back leaning part, we use the same material. It is plastic type of polyethylene. Polyethylene has good strength and also this category of plastic can be recycled into other products. We also use plastic for armrest, but we use polyurethane type. For part stand of the chair and all the support, we use high carbon steel. The reason why we choose this material are very high strength and very high hardness, so it's suitable to accommodate the weight of students. The mechanism to rotate the table, we decide to use material type cast iron. It is lightweight and strong. It also because they have low density and high capacity strength. It also has high pressure toughness, which it is able to hold the heavy weight. This table we refer from CES EduPack. In this slide, I will present about manufacturing process for our product. So this is process flow. The process starts from raw material and goes to shaping process, then joining process, and last is finishing process. For the shaping process, firstly we need to cut the material, follow the dimension. We use grinding machine for process cutting plywood and high carbon steel material. Grinding machine that we use is table grinder. After that, we bend the high carbon steel to make a support for the table. We use roller hollow mechanical bending machine. After that, we drill certain parts for bolt and nut and for screw. For joining machine, we use MIG welding. MIG welding is metal inert gas or also known as gas metal arc welding. This type of welding is basically an arc welding process that joins two metal by heating the metal with the help of an arc. This arc is formed between the surface to be welded and a continuously fed filler electrode. Besides that, for joining process, we use bolt and nut, also screw, to join the backrest for the chair with the rotator mechanism. And the last process is finishing. For the deburring, we use hand grinding machine.
Hello, my name is Muhammad FIKRI. I'm going to talk about engineering analysis in the product. We choose to analyze our material and structure aided by software. This is the detail of the geometry that need to be set or defined before start the analysis. There are a few important details such as material assignment and others. The properties of the material assigned are shown in the table 2 of the geometry. After geometry details are set, then set contact region of which area will be affected by forces involved. Then mesh is generated. After that, go to static structural to set fixed support before entering force. 5 faces of desk chair base is selected and defined as fixed support. 4 faces of the desk chair are selected at which the forces will be applied. The static structural analysis is defined by axis at which the load applied is negative value of y-axis. The final step of the analysis is to set the solution that we need. The solution involves total deformation, strain, and stress analysis. After solving the analysis, the solution is shown to see which area affected the most by the maximum and the minimum forces applied. The next analysis involves the desk chair stand is aided by inventor software. As referred in the table, this analysis is a study of static analysis at single point of the armrest. Operating conditions are shown which consist of fixed constraint. The results show the area of red color show the maximum amount of stress while the blue color is minimum amount.
Okay, so let's talk about cost analysis. For cost analysis, first we discuss about material cost. Because the project is innovation from existing chair that has been used in classroom, so we decide to buy the suitable chair to do this innovation. The cost for the chair is RM98. Then we innovate the chair. We add support for table and the mechanism for rotating the desk of the chair by using material cast iron and high carbon steel. And the total for these two materials are 3 ringgit. Next is labor cost. Because of our product is simple and did not have any complex design, so the total of labor costs are not too high. It is only RM55. After that is fixed cost to produce our product. The utilities that we use only electricity and water usage. So the total for fixed cost is only RM20. Last slide for cost analysis is total manufacturing cost. Total manufacturing cost is sum of material cost, labor cost, and fixed cost. Total manufacturing cost for our product is RM185. For selling price for our product, we took 10% of margin percentage of profit, and the total for selling product is RM203 and 50 cents. The existing chair is RM184. The difference between existing product and our product is RM55 ringgit and 50 cents. There is no big difference compared to our product, and actually it is worth it because our product can be used for both left and right-handed students. That's all for me. Thank you.
Now we move to sustainability. We're going to see about the material use. The first material is polyethylene. One of the top benefits of using this material is that it is impact resistant. It is also eco-friendly material. It makes sense to use a material that is green friendly. Second material is cast iron. This material is durable, tough, so it is hard to break down. The third material is high carbon steel. It has high strength, extreme hardness, and wear resistant. It is able to tolerate being deformed without actually breaking. The last material being used is plywood. This material has surface dimensional stability. It also has high strength to weight ratio, so it can accommodate the load. Now, we see about eco-indicator. In eco-indicator, we have production, usage, disposal. For production, we have 7 materials of processes which total result 1907.35. For usage, there are only one type which his total result is 43.52. The last one is disposal. In disposal, there are 5 material of processes which is total result 1684.96.
Enhancements. The prototype of the left and right-handed table chair is further enhanced in terms of core functionality by performing a series of evaluation based on user feedback on the first design concept. Let's compare the old design and new design. For the old designs, the table is just for rotate 90 degree, but for new design can rotate for 180 degree. Second, The old designs use polypropylene material for table, but new design use polywood material for table. Next, the old design easy to bend, but new designs not easily to bend for table. Next, comparisons with armrests for old design and new design. Let's see, for old designs, armrest is just for one side, which is at right side, and use polypropylene material for armrest, and is not comfortable. But for the new design, armrest is both sides, which is at left and right sides. Armrest for new design use polyurethane material and is comfortable.
In a nutshell, both objectives of the project are achieved, which is to innovate a right and left arm desk chair for students and to have more ergonomical and affordable chair for university students. That's all. Thank you from us.